This class has been a great learning experience for me in a number of different ways. Although I haven't had to stand up in front of the class and give my speeches, just looking into a camera and speaking is very awkward at times for me. After being out of school for almost a decade, this class has reminded me of the importance of being able to communicate clearly in any type of situation, whether it's in the classroom or job interview or just speaking to someone in general. The most difficult part for me was preparing the speeches and trying to memorize the points that I'm trying to get across without losing the attention of the audience. My main weakness is trying to remain in eye contact with the person who I'm speaking to, which is the most important part of communicating with someone, in my opinion. I have never really ever been a good public speaker out in front of people, but something about it seems it embarrasses me. But the fear of accidentally saying something that offends someone or just letting a cuss word slip is always in the back of my mind for some reason, but especially when I'm trying to sound all intelligent. But however, after practicing these different types of speeches and learning how to prepare myself better, I actually feel more comfortable speaking now than I was before. Oral communication is definitely the most important lesson that everyone has to learn in order to be successful throughout your life. But without becoming able to communicate effectively with other people, that includes your classmates, your teachers, your co-workers, your family, or your loved ones, relationship, kids, every human being. But life will be very unpleasant for any individual if you can't communicate effectively. My favorite class moment was trying to make my cookies in front of the camera. This was the first time for me to try and explain how to actually do something while being filmed and trying not to look ridiculous at the same time. Well, and every speech I seem to slowly overcoming my fear of the public speaking. And it's helped me a great deal. I've really enjoyed this class, but I would have much rather taken it in person to better overcome my fear, being able to stand up in front of people. And okay, nice to meet y'all. Thank you.